More and more of the green team are coming back, and this time it is Carson Mumford, who hasn't raced since round 3 at Thunder Valley. In the 2 rounds before that, he'd gone 10 and 13 overall to start the season. And it's kind of sad when you think this, what's his name? Ian Southwell, the team manager for Pro Circuit, said, quote, "It's always nice to race in your own time zone at Washougal. It's a big lineup for us there with 5 riders. 5 riders is a big lineup for them when you think they still have people out." But he continues on saying, "Joe, Seth, Austin, Ryder, and Carson. Jet is still not feeling well enough to race, so he will have a good break now to recover until Unadilla." But when you can think about that, they still have what? So Jet's out and McAdoo is out. So they have seven 250 riders. That's a huge team. If all of them were competing, they could almost fill the top 10 by themselves. But who knows? Being 10 and 13 the first couple rounds and being out, I don't expect him to be, let's say, a winning competition maybe the first couple rounds, but we'll see how it goes. In the comments below, you tell me, how well do you think any of the Pro Circuit guys do? Joe seems to be definitely the most competitive, or at least the most consistent of all of them. Seth and Austin, who knows? Ryder and Carson are kind of whatever. I have no idea where they're going to finish, but I'm going to say probably, 10 to 15th. That's going to be my guess overall. But in the comments below, you tell me, where do you think they're going to finish overall? Who's going to do the best, whatever it is, who's going to win? And yeah, as you're going down in your comment, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.